This is kind of like a bad version of Are You Smarter Than a Fourth Grader? And I don't know if I am. Brecken, do you want to say what we're doing?
We're on a field trip to Staheli Farms.
Where are we going to be there?
I don't know. I think they're just gonna like take us on a tour or something.
Is it pumpkin patch?
I think it's like have pumpkins and kind of like our farm, except we didn't have corn. We tried, but it didn't work.
Yeah, corn didn't grow so well when we had a farm, but I'm excited because I get to be a fourth grader today with Brecken and hang out with her and her friends. Right? Yeah.
You are a fourth grader.
But today I'm a fourth grader? Why?
Because.
Am I smarter than a fourth grader? Am I cooler than a fourth grader? I don't know about that. The bus is really loud.
Yeah.
Everyone's excited, but I think I'm getting a headache. I don't know about you, but I'm glad to be off that bus. I was getting sick. Are you getting sick?
I was.
Yeah, it was super noisy, but now we're here at the field trip and we're really excited. Oh, did he scare you? Hi guys. Do you remember when we used to have lambs?
No.
You were pretty little. Do you miss our farm?
And I missed the mini four-wheeler that Dad sold.
Yeah.
Remember?
But the good thing about not having a farm is what?
There's not so many flies.
Fly land. There's so many flies. It's like having puppies again.
Except there was more cockroaches than flies.
Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy. We're at the petting zoo, but there's like a bazillion kids here, so I don't think we're actually going to get to go in and pet the animals, but we might have to come back just with our family. What is that?
Hair.
Is that your grandma's wig?
No.
Sheep's wool, right?
Ugly.
Ugly? That's what sweaters are made out of.
Okay, then I'm not gonna ever wear a sweater again.
Now what are we doing, Brett?
Eating and having someone talking to us about something.
What did you get for your snack?
Chocolate milk and pizza.
Is that stuff made on a farm?
Probably.
Is that what you're learning about? I think Brecken and I found the coolest thing on the farm today. Right, Breck? Stand up and we'll show them. Ta-da! Look at that amazing antlers right there. Longhorn cattle. That's so cool. Here, you hold it and I'm gonna spread my arms out. Look how big that is. It's huge. So, 6 feet wide, these horns were 6 feet wide, and it was one of their pet cows that they had here. So that's super cool. Let's see what we're gonna do next. Brecken's learning about dirt. I mean soil.
I want it, your hand to be muddy.
What'd you get, Brecken?
Good. Walk over there.
Not dirt. What did you say to call it?
Soil.
Okay, make some mud.
1 second.
Put your hands together. There you go.
Good.
Come
Now
out here.
Walk out.
Did you make mud?
You're supposed to keep it.
Keep it in your hand. Let me see it.
I accidentally dropped mine.
Feels like mud? What are you doing?
I just can't use one hand.
Oh. Ew. Ew. You smeared it. Does it feel good and cool? You wash munching off there.
He said he wanted us to
Wow, pretty good. A little bit still on there. Oh well.
It's just napkin. Just joking. I like this shit.
Okay, so we're getting ready to load back on the buses, and we're leaving our field trip at Staheli Farms. And Breck, what was your favorite part of the field trip?
The one where we made clay.
And then you smeared it on your face? Yeah? Brecken and I learned a lot about animals and farms. Did it make you want to have a farm again? Yeah. We have cows, but we don't have chickens or anything right now. Maybe we'll have to get some. So we had a lot of fun though, huh? Thanks for letting me come with you. Brecken's stressed because the buses are going. What's our bus number, Brecken? Brecken's stressed because one of the buses just pulled away, and when we got here they said that yesterday a bunch of kids got to the wrong school, so she's pretty stressed out, but I think we made it back to our bus. 3:05. Whew, were you worried?
Yeah.
Did we make it? But did we make it? Yeah. Brecken, we made it! We made it! We got the front seat this time? Yeah? Then hopefully I won't feel as sick since we're sitting in the front. Did you get sick? Yeah. Yeah, I do. So, is it an animal? Is it, how many questions am I at? 4 questions. Okay. This is kind of like a bad version of Are You Smarter Than a 4th Grader? And I don't know if I am. Okay, it's not an animal. It's not a plant. It's not made, oh bumpy. It's not made by people. And it's not a rock of any kind. Is there anything else in the universe? Okay, let's see. Is it something to do with nature? Okay, the sky. Oh, yeah, I am smarter than a 4th grader. Kind of. Oh, you are smarter than me. It's slime. It's not alive, but our slime is kind of acting alive right now. It's kind of, right?
Yeah, it's like bubbling up.
It's like bubbling up, and it's kind of nasty. And do you want to jump in it? No? We're going to jump in it. I'm probably not, but you are.
Want to trade jobs?
So tune into our slime challenge because it's going to be awesome. And it's kind of alive-ish, and nasty. So what, your turn? So we were a little worried we were going to get left behind because I made Brecken stop and do a thing for me. I was asking her about the farm, and then we couldn't find our bus. So we were lost at the farm, and there was buses leaving, and I was trying to film Brecken, but she just ran away and left me there. What kind of daughter are you? I was lost at the farm and you left me there. But we made it. We were the very last ones on the bus, but we're home safe and sound, so good job. Yes, and we had fun. And now we have to go back to class.
Yeah.
And I have to go back home and make my slime. So tune in for our slime tomorrow or tonight, whenever we get to film it. It's gonna be amazing, right? And a little disgusting, right? Are you thirsty?
I'm a big fan.
I have to go.
5 minutes till lunch, so why don't
If you liked our field trip to Staheli Farms, then subscribe.
Should we come back with everyone else? Yeah, I think so.